We are a company that specializes in commercial application of robots. A social robot has certain human characteristics. So for example, it can smile. Here comes a cute little robot that can actually have, or that actually has all the social capabilities, artificial intelligence to be able to, respond to their need.
How are you? Respond.
I'm fine.
Good. What's your name?
My name is Zendiro.
I'm Cello.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice.
My name is Ben Norte. I'm the founder and CEO of Mingo Blocks, Mingo Robotics Center in Mass Africa. So we are a company that specializes in commercial application of robots. So today I'm going to be talking to you about one of our commercial robots, which is Cello, a social robot. Cello is a social robot with a lot of interactive capabilities and social skills that can be deployed within the human work environment. So typically, Cello will be your customer service agent that can actually welcome all your clients and speak to them, interact with them. You can actually deploy Cello in a number of places, such as your office reception area. Cello can actually work within the supermarket area. Cello can actually work in hotel and within the hospitality industry to actually entertain your guests and to give them some very vital information.
How are you? Respond.
I'm fine.
Good.
Oh my God. What? That's crazy. Hi, how are you?
What's your name?
My name is Zendiro.
I'm Cello.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice.
If you deploy Cello in a supermarket, for example, or in a boutique, Cello can actually display all your products, and so instead of the customer coming to you or to human beings to talk to them, in fact, Cello can actually handle and interact with them by displaying all the products that you have, the price. In fact, Cello can even suggest to the clients what they should buy. We're inspired by the fact that we wanted to change how customers experience when they get to either a retail area to interact with products and services. So we wanted a way where customers actually come within the retail area and they get really blown away, because here comes a cute little robot that can actually have, or that actually has all the social capabilities, artificial intelligence to be able to respond to their need. Sometimes human beings get tired and don't really respond well when in certain situations. So Cello has been designed in a way that it should be able to flawlessly interact with your client, make your clients happy, and make your clients come back again. So we want to improve the customer experience for businesses. The process of bringing Cello to life begins with defining the problem. So here the problem is, there are times when customers are unhappy, and when customers are unhappy, then ideally the business will suffer because they will not come back to patronize the product. So that is where we begin the whole journey from. Now the next step is, how do we also ensure that when human beings come to the shop to purchase a product or a service, how do we ensure that they are able to have a sense of humanness within the environment? So that is when we conceive the idea that, okay, why don't we deploy a social robot? So a social robot has certain human characteristics. So for example, it can smile, so the smile is what will welcome the users, or is what will make the client feel welcome. So Cello can actually exhibit that capability. Now the next step is, once you feel welcome, now you want to be able to interact, you want to be able to speak to somebody. So that is where Cello can, using its facial recognition systems and other artificial intelligence capabilities, can begin to pick up conversation with you. Now how we have designed Cello is that to boost the customer experience of users, Cello actually, if you're a regular customer, Cello really knows you as a customer. You regularly visit the shop, so Cello can go the extra length to even mention your name, because it can identify you. Now Cello also keeps track of all your activities. So when you came in, and let's say within a boutique, Cello knows that you like buying a particular type of dresses. Once you come in, Cello can begin to suggest to you some available items within the stock, okay, so that it makes your decision process easy. So all we have tried to do is to understand the customer experience journey, okay, and we have designed Cello in such a way that it will really bring that cool customer experience to the customer, so that at the end of the day you keep coming back to the business, and you keep patronizing the products and services. commonplace, something that I mean, you walk into an office, you don't necessarily have to have a receptionist there. The first thing you see is the robot. Robots interacting with you, you know, asking you or giving you the assistance that you need. Robots being the personal assistants of managers, so that robots can even remind them of appointments when they have appointments. So, I mean, these robots have the capability to function or work on different things, so they never forget. They can function in different ways. So once you have the robot should be able to, you know, act as your PA, your personal assistant. You should be able to act as your secretary. You should be able to act as, you know, security guard. You should be able to do so many things. From a cost perspective, it's still a new technology, and like with any new technology, when we start the beginning, I mean, the price can be high, but as we're able to commercialize it on a very large scale, over time, the price drops. So currently, we're working with businesses that can afford, because they are pretty expensive. It can cost you, you know, about some decent $10,000 to $15,000 to $20,000, you know, depending on how you want it to be customized. So, but hopefully, we are looking at other robot innovations that, for example, you can deploy at home, you can deploy at schools. Those ones, I don't expect them to be that expensive. Maybe with few hundreds of dollars, you should be able to, you know, have these robots deployed. Currently, I mean, technology is disrupting everything. Technology is making our lives so easy. I mean, who would have ever thought that mobile money is going to be, I mean, the new banking system? We all used to think that, I mean, banking is walking to a bank to transact businesses. Now with a mobile phone, I can literally, I mean, transact my business and transfer money and do anything, anytime, any day, you know, however I want it. So technology is really disrupting the way we do things, and we cannot be stuck to the traditional way of doing things. Certainly at some point we need to look at how we can deploy technology such as robotics to really enhance our work. And certainly robots are tools that can seriously enhance and provide value to businesses, especially if you want to get things done, you know, faster, better, in a more improved and enhanced way. Robots are definitely the way to go, and we cannot take it out.
Thank you. Guys, so we've come to the end of the vlog today. It's been absolutely amazing meeting Cello and the team that put it together. I mean, the future is here, the future is in Ghana, and amazing things are happening here. As we close the video, for those who still doubt Cello's capabilities, we want to sign out. So remember to like this video, share it with a friend, and Cello, what should they do?
Subscribe.
You heard it, do it.